So here I am roaming the salvage yards of a local LKQ on a beautiful Saturday morning in search of the center resonator pipe to repair my 2002 Mazda Protege. What you're looking at is a rearranged salvage yard. This area used to be inaccessible, but they started putting a lot of GM vehicles over here in the place of the large machine that used to grind these cars up and crush them into small metal bits. The area I came out of, the Protege was supposed to be there, but it was the spot that it was in had been replaced by a Volvo V70. So I'm starting to get a little worried at this point, because I've been walking around for about 30-35 minutes and I still haven't found this car. And I'm starting to think that, maybe I'm a little late to the salvage yard and that they possibly miscounted their inventory and that the car has been crushed and I may not find it. I think I might look. I ain't gonna find that. I'm not going to find that. If I do, it's gonna be all mangled to hell anyway. Because normally when they put these cars up on these blocks or these wheels for people to come and get parts, normally what they do, the forklift that they use just gets under the car. They don't really care. They just crush everything. Certainly a legitimate concern that if I do find the car and get underneath and look, I may find the pipe all crushed and mangled. Still haven't made contact with the Protege, but I did see this neat looking FC, no engine or tranny of course, and I came across this Mazda 3 sitting here. Had high hopes of finding a set of Mazdaspeed 3 sport bucket seats, but these are just a regular Mazda 3 seats, so a little disappointment there. A bit of a sneak peek on maybe what a future episode is going to feature in my Protege. Yeah, nothing I can use off of this engine. Someone snatched a cylinder head, left the camshaft sticking out of a piston. Yeah, this car is just a total wreck, so nothing to look at. Had to walk away from that wreckage. Good news is I did find what I was looking for. I no longer have to search for the exhaust or repair the one that I got welded on. The guy did such a shitty welding job, I don't have to repair that anymore. Went on eBay and found exactly what I was looking for. I found the Mazdaspeed muffler, brand new, never used, for like $200. I talked the guy down to like $150 plus shipping. We're gonna see what happens. I can't believe it, brand new. Guy ain't never damn used the muffler. That certainly is good news. He did answer back with a counter offer of $175 plus shipping, so $220 out the door. I've never clicked so fast, and now the Mazdaspeed Protege muffler was on its way to my doorstep. Something totally unrelated, but strange, someone actually took the time out of the day to shave the spokes off of this wheel with precision. I don't understand why they did that. Strange. After about 45 minutes, I finally found this dirty Mazda Protege. I immediately started looking through the car to see if there's anything else useful that I could, kind of salvage or use on the car. Some neat gauge faces there. There's something funky going on with this interior. Somebody just took the seat, they unbolted it and turned it upside down. I don't know why they did that, but a lot of the rest of the interior is still in this car. It could be used, but I'm not particularly fond of the dark colored interiors. And as far as the rest of the panels that came out of the adjacent car, looks like I think maybe a Honda Civic or something. Maybe somebody just wanted to save the panels and threw them in this car, hoping no one would look in and find what they had already taken loose. That happens a lot. Nothing useful here. Center console stack, some molded seats in the back. Yeah, nothing I could use. So I exit the car. Here you can see the flange that I was talking about that used to be on my car that has now been cut out. Pipe looks in good shape, but let's take a look underneath and see what it looks like in its total. And there you see, pipe is fully intact. I was a bit surprised. You can see where the forklift has actually damaged the part of the body, but miraculously missed the pipe. So I ran back to my car, got my tools, and I got the pipe off the car. Now it's time to fix the Protege exhaust.
Oh, that part's too loud.